Hello stalkers, welcome back. Abu Dhabi stock market index is now looking positive. It's in a safe zone thanks to one particular stock that is very heavy weighted on the index. I'm sure by now you have guessed it. But before that, let me explain what the index is doing and where it can go potentially. This is the daily chart of Abu Dhabi stock market index. Previously, as I had mentioned, it's in this chart pattern. And fortunately, this is bullish. We saw a breakout of this resistance level that is somewhere around 9,520. It broke with this green candle. Previously, we saw a rejection of this trend line, but this time it was successful. Also, it have crossed the resistance of 9,600. Last closing is very positive, 9,623. When the index made this high, this was the first indication that now it's ready to go higher. Previously, this was the low and then it shifted to this zone that is 9,450. So this was the first hint that market gave that now market index is ready to go higher. Nevertheless, I had mentioned I would still consider this bullish once we see a close above 9,650. We are still few points short of 9,650. It's still in a positive territory. If I move up to weekly chart, we can see a nice breakout of this bullish chart pattern right here. We can see it tried right with this candle, it got rejected, and with this solid green candle we are seeing a success. So most likely slowly and steadily we can expect an upside momentum from here. So this was the market index. Now let me talk about the stock which moved at the last moment and index moved along with it. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the heavy weighted stock that is IHC, International Holding Company, and we are on daily chart as of now. If you have seen my previous analysis, I had mentioned this stock is just taking support at 395 zone. It has been just hovering around this zone. It touched 410 and then we saw a huge drop, but still it's sustaining. Last candle we can see is very bullish. Closing is at 398.50. But look at this. If I move down to 5 minutes chart, we can see it was just trading at 394, and in last 15 minutes there was a massive buying right at the time of close and price went up to 398.50. so this pushed the index higher and this looks good for coming week as well. Now provided we should not see any gap downs, we want to see at least a flat opening so that it can continue going higher slowly and steadily, or it can go sideways, but it should not open with a gap down. Again, the sentiments will be negative. It will come back to the support at 394, which we don't want to see. Like I keep saying, IHC is heavy weighted stock. When it moves, index moves along with it, and it really helps other stocks as well. As positivity in the market helps other stocks as well, it's psychology, people start buying. I hope you got my point, and if you did, do not forget to smash that like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.